Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about area and volume of prism. Firstly, we should know what is prism. Prism are those solid objects having two parallel congruent bases. When the bases are triangular, they are said to be triangular prism. When the bases are square, that is said to be square prism. And when the bases are rectangular, that is said to be rectangular prism. And when the bases are circular, that is said to be circular prism. Firstly, we discuss about the general prism, that is, don't forget volume of the prism, V-O-L-U-M-E, volume of prism, V is equal to A into S. That is, volume of prism, V is equal to A into S, where A be the area of base or area of cross section, and S be height or length of the prism, and the curved surface area, curved or lateral surface area, that is C as a curved surface area or L as a lateral surface area, that is P into S. P means perimeter of the base into height of the prism or length of the prism. Then total surface area, third one, total surface area, A is equal to curved surface area plus there are two bases, congruent bases, plus 2 times of base area. Curved surface area is P into S plus 2A, where P be the perimeter, S be the height or length of the prism, and A be the area of base. We write here where A is equal to area of base or cross section, P means perimeter of the base, and S be height or length of prism. So, by generalizing these three formula, we find all types of prisms, area and volume. Remember that volume of the prism V is equal to A into S. Curved surface or lateral surface area, CSA or LSA, is equal to P into S, and total surface area is equal to CSA plus 2A, 2 times of base area. CSA means PS, and plus 2A is 2A, where remember that A is equal to area of base or area of cross section, area P is equal to perimeter of the base, and S be height or length of the prism. So let's discuss about different types of prism. Firstly, we discuss about the triangular prism. Triangular prism are those types of prism having triangular bases, or the prism which have the triangular bases is said to be triangular prism. One number we discussed about the word triangular, triangular, triangular prism. Prism. So let's suppose here is one triangular base A, B, C be the triangular base, and next congruent triangle, that is A dash, B dash and C dash be the next base, and the prism which is formed by two congruent triangular bases is said to be triangular prism. Let's suppose this is a triangular prism having, this is the height or length of the prism and this is the triangular base. Sometimes this may be scalene triangle, sometimes this may be equilateral triangle having all sides equal, sometimes it may be isosceles triangle, sometimes it may be general triangle, and sometimes it may be right angle triangle. What types of triangle is this? So to find the volume of this triangular prism, V, volume V is equal to A into H. H is the height of prism, and to find the volume of this prism, first we should find the area of this base, area of the triangle. What types of triangle is given? So find the area of that triangle and you find the volume by V is equal to A into H. C as a curved surface area or L as a lateral surface area is equal to P, perimeter into height, P s. And to find the perimeter of these types of triangular prism, first we should find the perimeter of the base. That is, base is here triangle, so find the area, perimeter of triangular base, and height is given here. So if perimeter is multiplied by to the height, then we find the what? Perimeter into height, that is equal to curved surface area or lateral surface area of the triangular prism. To find the total surface area, TSA is equal to PS plus 2A. PS means curved surface area, and by adding 2 times of the base area, one is the base A dash, B dash, C dash, and next base is A, B, C. So after finding the area of this triangle, we find the total surface area is equal to PS plus 2A. So remember that volume of the prism V is equal to A into H, curved surface area or lateral surface area is equal to PS, and total surface area is equal to curved surface area PS plus 2 times of the base area 2A. And to find A and P, what types of triangle is given, we have already discussed in the previous topics, area and perimeter of the triangle. Find the area and perimeter accordingly. Okay, next one is the circular based prism, that is cylinder. If the base is circular of the prism, the types of geometrical figure is said to be cylinder. 2 number, circular based prism, that is cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Those prism having circular base or 2 congruent parallel bases is said to be cylinder. Let's suppose there are 2 circular bases. One is this base having R radius, R unit radius, and the next one is this base having R unit radius. It means these 2 circles are congruent to each other, and this means height of this prism or this cylinder. Then we find volume V V is equal to volume of this cylinder or volume of this circular based prism. V is equal to A into H. A means area of the base here. Base is circular here, so area of the circle pi r square H. So we remember that area volume of cylinder V is equal to pi r square H. And similarly, C as a curved surface area or lateral surface area is equal to P S. P means perimeter of the base and H means height here. P means perimeter of the base. Base is circular here, so perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r and multiply by H here. 2 pi r H is the curved surface area or lateral surface area of the cylinder. And to find the total surface area TSA, TSA is equal to CSA plus 2A, 2 times of base area. So CSA is 2 pi r H plus 2 is 2 here and area of base is pi r square. What is common here? 2 pi r is common here and r plus H is remaining here. So total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r whole into r plus H. In this way we find the volume, curved surface area and total surface area of circular base prism, that is cylinder. So next type of prism is square based prism with height is equal to length and breadth, that is cube. Third one is square based prism with height is equal to length and breadth, that is cube. Square based prism with height is equal to length and breadth, that is cube. If this is a cube, where this length, breadth and height are equal. This type of geometrical figure is said to be cube. Cube is also a kind of prism which is square based prism because the base of this cube is what? Square here. To find the volume of cube or volume of square based prism, V is equal to A into H. That is equal to A means area of the base. That is area of the square is L square into H means L here. So L square into L is L cube. L cube is the volume of prism or cube. Square base prism, that is cube. So CSA, curved surface area, is equal to PS. P means perimeter. Perimeter of the square is 4L and H is L here. So that is equal to 4L square is the curved surface area of cube. Similarly, total surface area TSA is equal to CSA plus 2 times of base area 2A is equal to 4L square CSA plus 2a means L square. 2L square is equal to 6L square is the total surface area of cube. So remember that volume of cube V is equal to L cube, CSA is equal to 4L square and TSA is equal to 6L square. Okay, next one is rectangular base prism, that is cuboid. Rectangular base prism, that is cuboid. When the base is a rectangle, the types of prism is said to be rectangular base prism. Fourth number, rectangular based, rectangular, rectangular based, based prism, that is cuboid, cuboid, cuboid. If this is a rectangular base prism, if this is a rectangular base prism having L be the length of the base, B be the breadth of the base, and S be the height of this prism, this is given, then volume of this cuboid V is equal to A into S. A means area of the base, L into B into S means S. So volume of the cuboid is equal, V is equal to L into B into S. C as a curved surface area is equal to PS. P means perimeter of the base. Base is here rectangle, so rectangular base, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 bracket L plus B into S. That is equal to 2H L plus B is the curved surface area of cuboid. Similarly, total surface area TSA is equal to C as a curved surface area plus 2 times of base area. That is equal to curved surface area is 2S L plus B plus 2 times of base area is 2 bracket L into B. So by solving this, 2S L plus 2S B plus 2LB, by taking 2 common, 2 bracket LB plus LS plus BS is the total surface area of rectangular based prism. So remember that in each case we know that volume of prism, that is equal to A into S. Curved surface area of prism is PS, and total surface area of prism is curved surface area plus 2 times of base area, because here are 2 equal and congruent bases are given, so we write the CSA plus 2A, that is equal to the total surface area of prism. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, really like this video, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any comments and any positive or negative comments here, please write the comment, and please to encourage me to make this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you much.